live. Yeah, so basically I'm going to show you this AI tool which helps you create step-by-step guide in minutes. All right, and not just basic ones, stunning step-by-step guides leveraging AI. So if you want to use it to create your training materials, your onboarding docs, your FAQs, basically anything that requires the visual elements to show people or teach people, this helps you do it without the hassle and stress of having to actually take screenshots of your laptop or whatever it is you're teaching and then start editing to make sure the guides, the arrows are pointing to where they need to know about and all those things. This does it for you automatically. All you have to do is to install the Chrome extension. It only works for Google Chrome at the moment, and it needs to be on your browser at the moment, so you can't use it outside the browser. So all you need to do is install the free extension, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and just do the normal things you want to do. So for example, I'm going to create an Instagram post, a carousel post, and the tool is going to record every single steps I take and create a slide that showcases all those things, instead of me creating a video and then having to, pause the video, edit, like take a screenshot of the video, put the arrows to show exactly what I'm talking about and all those stress. This does it for you automatically. So enough of the talking, let's get right straight into it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install the free Chrome extension. So here we have it. The Chrome extension has been installed and I'm going to make sure it's selected. So here it is. I'm going to also bookmark it just to have it on standby. Okay, so it's on pin, it's pinned now. So let's go back to, okay, so now that we have it installed over here, you can see it. This is it. It's popping up. Guide has access to this site, right? This needs to be important. So just make sure this is, turned on so that it works. So here it is. Guide magically create video documentation with AI in seconds. So yeah, you could always just sign up. It's free. There's a free plan, obviously. So I'm going to sign up with Google. So yeah, over here, it's you ask you about yourself. So whatever company size you want, if you're into marketing, could do knowledge and documentation. So this will help you train the AI to know what kind of tool, what kind of templates that you should use that will make it come out better. So I can say product how-tos, frequently asked questions, customer onboarding, and knowledge and documentation. You can even use it for employee training. And that basically, so after you do this, so it says thanks for downloading, watch a short video and you're good to go. So as you can see over here, this is how it's turned up. You make sure it's turned on and you click on the capture button and it's going to show somewhere around here how you start doing it. I'll show you all this thing live. And yeah, so let's do our first workflow. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so you click on capture. So if you want to create out of videos, whatever it is, you do that. Then over here is going to tell you or ask you, what do you want to capture? So right now I want to just do a simple how to, right? And it's going to ask you to describe your video. So I'm going to say very simple, how to create a stunning Instagram post. Okay, so let's just say that and let's go. So it kind of helps the AI know exactly how basically it needs to go through. So let us move over to exactly where we need it to. So here is Canva. Now this is it, and you can see over here you see an option: done, pause, add screenshot, restart, and delete. Okay, so done. When you're done with it, pause. Obviously, if you want to pause it, add screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot of a particular place, restart, and obviously delete. So I'm going to start it now. It started already because it's the option of stop is there. So anything I do now is going to add a number to this. Okay, so let's see. So if I want to do this and search for, you can see it's added 1 over there. Then if I click Instagram post. Okay, so carousel Instagram quote Instagram post, whatever, and I just say search for Instagram post. It takes it as number 2, as you can see over there, and as the page is loading, it takes it as number 3 because 3 different steps have been taken. Okay, and let's see. So we're just gonna select any Instagram post. Let me select this for example. Do this. It's making it 4. I say okay, customize this template. It's going to take it as number 5, still number 4. Then if I choose to change the color of this, for example, move over to, let me say black, it's going to take it at number 7. If I want to change this image, upload an image or use, let me just upload any image or move over to elements, for example. All right, and I look for, let's say just anything, whatever, right? As I'm scrolling, say I select this picture, it takes it as 10, I move it, takes it 11, then I click on share and download. Okay, it takes it as number 15. Okay, and there you have it. So if I want to end it, I just click on done. Take a little bit of time to load, and there it is. Right, so in a minute we're going to see exactly how that would come out. So here we are, right? And you can see congrats on your first how-to video. What's next? You can personalize it, so you can have a video of it, or you can have the PDF or the presentation slides of it. So which is what I want to see in a minute. Okay, so you can see click use +5 was to describe your design, the catchy and describe. So you can use magic description to help you create descriptions of it, right? As you can see, it's showing. So this is what we selected. Remember, this was the first thing we did, and the second thing we searched, we clicked on Instagram post. The third, you see, it's helping you put the details. So browse the template library for Instagram. You can see it's doing it for you. And you can edit each of these. You could add a step in case you missed the step, right? So you can see browse the template library for Instagram post design. See, Instagram post template, select the particular post. At the moment it's typing, as you can see. So over here, you click on this color. So if it doesn't add the detailed description for you, you can do it yourself. But ideally, it's, it has every single step that we did along the way. Click download. You see, it got some posts in this description and how to use Canva to create stunning posts. So you click on download to download your image photos, and there we have it. Okay, so as I said, you could edit it. So if I click on this, I click on this particular button, I can fill the title, the description, and I can edit the visual. So if I want to crop it to make it, smaller, more focused on just that part, I can do it. And you see over here, if I click on crop, and I want to zoom it closer, or just make it a little bit, the option is over there. Obviously it's taking a little bit of time to load, but you can see the option over here to drag to reposition image. You can drag and zoom, you can crop it, whatever it is that you want to do with the image to make it more visually stunning. And yeah, I'm not going to wait for this, but basically, yeah, that's it, right? And there you have it. So let's go over to the video side. How to create stunning Instagram post, right? Let me minimize this. So here's the video, right, of exactly what we did. It's the screenshot, so you can see it's seamlessly going through everything that we did, in case you want to see it in the visual format. And you could also add audio to it, right? If you want to. I think all you gotta do is to edit the video. Click on edit the video, and I think it has AI audio. So if you want to, make sure, if you want to record your voice over it, is fine. If you want to do so, just click on allow. If you want text to voice option, is there for you. What is the AI? I thought I saw something about that one time. Okay, yeah. So don't record, type it in, get a natural sounding voice over using text. So if you want to put the text inside to be able to show, basically, if you want an AI to do the talking for you, just put the text and it's going to do it for you, right? You could use George.
Don't record.
Or
Don't record.
Emily US, right? So, I mean, there you have it, right? Basically, you have a video and you have presentation slides for everything automatically done for you, because before you have to manually do this, have the video, take screenshots of it, and, put all the arrows yourself, make sure everything is, this makes it easier for you. Okay, so without further ado, check out guide. It has a payment plan, and this is the free version. If you download it, it's going to have the watermark on it, right? But if you want the paid version, as you can see, the free version, you can record up to 25 how-to videos, record a voiceover, share via public links, add interactive actions, and library of stock music. But it's going to come with the guide watermark on it. But if you want the pro version, it has unlimited how to remove your guide watermark, custom brand, export videos, and the likes. Okay, this is the yearly plan, of course. If you switch over to the monthly, it has about $20 per month. Okay, so there you have it. Let me know your thoughts. Hopefully you found this valuable. Check the 2 other videos I posted over here to check out more interesting tools. Please like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video.